Want to disable notes on your Instagram posts and Reels? You can easily turn off this feature with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play Store. To disable notes on Instagram posts and Reels, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines to access the menu. This will take you to a new screen with various settings. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this section, look for the Sharing and Remixes option and tap on it. Then, scroll down until you find Allow Notes on Posts and Reels. To disable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to it. You've successfully turned off the Notes feature for your posts and Reels. Now, your followers and others won't be able to add notes to your pictures and Reels.